How to add a coupon code on Amazon. So if you want to add a coupon code on Amazon, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Amazon. Go with www.amazon.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged into your account, now you just need to simply go with the orders. Like for example, I'll just simply go and select this one right here. Now go with add to cart, which will be on the right side. And from here, you need to go with cart, select the items that you would like to buy. After that, go with proceed to checkout. Now, while checking out, as you can see that you will find the option of use a gift card, voucher, or promo code. You need to click on this, and then you will have an option to enter your gift card, voucher, or your promotional code. Enter the code carefully and then go with apply. And after that, it will be applied. Your coupon code will be applied and you will get the discount. That's how you can add a coupon code on your Amazon. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.